The Betfair exchange will charge you 5% commission. Smarkets by default will charge you 2% commission, but in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can boost your matched betting profits by getting 0% commission trades on Smarkets. Hey guys, The Frugal Life here, back with another match betting video. On this channel we're all about teaching you how to make money through matched betting. Hit that like button to support the channel and hit that subscribe button to see all future tips and tutorials for match betting. Betting exchanges play a crucial role when it comes to match betting, so it's important that we understand them. Betting exchanges make their money by charging a small amount of commission from winning bets. If you don't know what a betting exchange is, make sure that you check out this video first. Here we explain exactly what a betting exchange is, how they work, and how we use them to make profit. Different betting exchanges charge different amounts of commission. The Betfair exchange, for example, which is the most popular and well established of the bunch, has a relatively high 5% commission on all winning bets. So if you had a £10 lay bet on the Betfair exchange and it won, as a 5% commission user, you would only keep £9.50, as the Betfair exchange would keep 50p of that. The commission charges aren't too much of a big deal because the profits we're making from match betting far exceed what we're losing from these commission charges. But nevertheless, we're all about squeezing out as much money as we can and being as efficient as possible. So being able to reduce our commission is a great way to maximize our match betting profits even further. Smarkets, another popular betting exchange, has a 2% commission as standard, which is far better than Betfair's 5%. And to take things even further, Smarkets always seem to have a 0% commission offer going on. So with that 0% commission, you won't be charged a penny for any of your match betting trades. Both OddsMonkey and the Matched Betting blog have a written step-by-step guide on how to activate Smarkets' 0% commission on your account. So if you'd rather read through the steps, I'll have it summarized in the description below. So let's jump into the step-by-step guide on how to activate the 0% commission on your Smarkets account. Firstly, you're going to need to sign up to Smarkets if you haven't already. Smarkets tend to always have a new customer offer. At the time of recording, they have a £10 welcome bonus, so make sure you're taking advantage of that as well. 2. To be eligible for the 0% commission offer, you need to be signed up to OddsMonkey as a premium member. Sure, the $17.99 a month can seem like a lot, but the commission savings alone, on top of all the match betting offers that you'll be able to do through OddsMonkey, will far exceed that premium subscription. And let's be honest here, most people spend more money per month on their phone bill and other random things, and it doesn't make you nearly as much money as OddsMonkey can. I personally go for the £150 annual plan, as that ends up a little bit cheaper, averaging at about £12.50 a month. So now that we've got an account set up on both Smarkets and OddsMonkey, we can opt into the 0% commission deal. With a quick Google search, you'll find Smarkets' 0% commission page. Enter the same email that you used to register at Smarkets, then hit submit. You'll then receive an email from Smarkets confirming that you've opted in, and you'll also see this message on screen. After we've opted into the deal, we need to link both our Smarkets and OddsMonkey accounts together. On OddsMonkey, go to the dashboard page. Under Smarkets settings, you'll see a button that says link your Smarkets account. Click that button and approve the permissions. The fifth and final step is to place an integrated bet. An integrated bet is where you place a lay bet through OddsMonkey without ever having to open Smarkets. When your accounts are linked, the integration takes care of all of that in just a couple of clicks. To do this, open OddsMonkey's Odds Matcher tool to find a profitable match to bet on. Each row will show you the back bet, the event details, the rating of the bet, and the lay bet details. From there, click the I button to open the calculator. From there, click Show Calculator and enter all the back bet and lay bet details. It'll either show you your qualifying losses or your profits from that particular bet. You can tell that it's linked because it shows your Smarkets balance as well as the 2% commission, but we'll be changing that commission soon. Odds can change quite quickly, especially when you're betting on horse racing and especially when you're close to the start of an event. So when you're sure that all the figures are correct, place your back bet at the bookmaker and then click the lay the bet button and then confirm your lay bet. After that lay bet has gone through, you'll now have 0% commission on Smarkets. There's a few ways to double check that this is actually on your account. On OddsMonkey, click the tools button and then click settings and then Smarkets settings. Make sure the tick box next to auto update commission is ticked. Then the box above should show 0% commission, and then when you open the calculator, that should also show 0% commission. Over here on Smarkets, click balance, or if you're using the Smarkets app on your phone, then click accounts, and then go to trading stats and commission. Here in the green banner, it will show that you have your 0% commission promotion active on your account. At the time of recording, Smarket's 0% commission offer, which is available for both new and existing customers, technically runs till the 30th of September 2020. But from my experience, Smarkets have been extending this offer every single month continuously for the past 2 years, and I've been taking advantage of it ever since. Not being charged any commission will allow you to reduce your expenses and to keep more cash in your pocket. And over time, this will give you a sizable boost to your match betting profits. And if you're an OddsMonkey member, which you should be, setting up their integration should be one of the first things that you do anyway. So if you want to hear about new match betting offers as they're announced, follow my Instagram account. Bet365 usually have this £50 free bet offer. So if you don't want to miss out on that, as well as other great match betting offers, follow my account at The Frugal Life. And to learn how you can do your first few match betting offers, check out the link below. There's a free trial to OddsMonkey where you can make money without even being an OddsMonkey premium member yet. And if you find these videos beneficial and you're already making money through match betting, share the video with a friend so we can spread the word. More people need to know about this. Give the video a like if you thought it was helpful, and hit that big red subscribe button to see all my future guides for match betting. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.